You don't know this little crafty thief. You don't know him.
Ulas, this boy is not a thief. He said he did not take your earrings. What is it?
I beg. Ngosika, I beg. Who made you an advocate? Eh? Are you covering him up? Have you seen a thief that own up to his own crime? Have you?
Take it easy. There is always a way to finding out the truth in any situation.
The only truth here is that this thief must bring out my earrings. And my husband here knows that I'm saying nothing but the truth.
Olasi. The only truth is that none of my children is a thief. Not this one or the one at home.
Please, do not mention my daughter's name here. The only thief we know here is this little thing here.
Mbata. Abiam. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Where is Ogro going? We have not concluded.
He knows I'm saying the truth now. He is definitely running out from the truth. He's running away from the truth.
I don't think so.
He is running away from the truth. You see, I am going to stay here until he comes back to meet us. See, you must bring out those gold earrings. You must. You see.
Madam, I tell you, me I don't want any of your gold earrings. I tell you now, because now you don't know what you're talking about.
So you know how to talk.
Before?
You know how to talk. You must bring out those earrings. You see, by the time I finish dealing with you in this house, you must bring out those earrings.
Calm down. Calm down. The boy said he did not take your earrings. We're going to sit here and wait for your husband to return wherever he went to.
I'm waiting.
Leave the boy alone. I'll get it.
Yes. So you are covering him up. Nkosika, you are covering him up. Thief!
Go.
Daddy, you're welcome.
Thank you. Yes.
Daddy, where is mommy?
Yeah, mommy is still in the market trying to buy you things. She sent me to collect the earrings she gave you to keep for her. She wants to sell them to enable her buy more things for you. Yes.
Daddy, mommy said that I should not let Ududo to know that she gave it to me to hide it for her. I don't want mommy problem, Daddy. I don't want her problem.
No,
please.
she told me the same. But she now wants to dispose them, to buy things for you. Yes, hurry, go and get it. Let me, I don't want to keep her waiting.
Let me go and get it for you. But Daddy, I don't want mommy's problem. Oh.
Look at the biscuit she bought for you. So she will buy more for you now. Don't go anywhere until I come back.
Okay, Daddy, tell her to buy me digestive.
Don't worry.
The red digestive, right?
Yes, I know. Don't bother.
Daddy, Krista, tell her to come back quick.
It's all right.
Okay.
That much,
Hey, wait, I don't.
Throw my gun now.
No, sorry, sit down. Sit down.
Hey, don't they pursue yourself? Just they smile like first we don't join Madness Association.
I wonder. My brother Torido. You get one Tori with the CNN breaking news.
Torikwa?
Yes, now.
I mean, somebody don't beat that boy.
Beat waiting. But the person won't go beat him for us. Yes.
Who that?
Oboko don't plan saying go beat them, and we even enter bet. We bet say if Oboko go fit beat them, say I go give him 1,000 naira. Wait, you agree? I agree now.
This one serious.
But he never finish for there. I tell him say if he no fit beat them, he go give me 5 bomb.
Wait, so Oboko accept.
Over accept the worry am.
Hey. Moko no get sense. See what go happen from that money, he go buy us drink. Cause I know say that boy go beat Moko like small pikin.
Agada
go beat them.
Agada.
I beg when the show won't start because I want to witness the contents.
I don't really know where those boys them do, but I point them to that their stream direction so that he go fit go track them from there. Take fire on.
Okay, in that case now, make we dey go. Make we go check whether they don't start.
You are gonna dey go. Go where?
Could they go now?
Oh, mommy, I dey go my house, so.
You sure say this was don't
I can't go. No, listen. I'm not be waiting. I plan. No, I dey go my house. I just can't deliver the information. Make una for go there, so that anyhow we be make una come later gist me the story as it go.
Back that you show what you talk. Make we go. Later we can't tell you.
Yes, now that's how you be.
Maybe your fault. Make we go.
But are you sure that you show what you talk?
Make una tell her make you take a easy, yeah. John Cena and Undertaker.
You sure?
Overshot, they worry me. They go. Oboko, they go mock the eye.
I told you that my husband has run away because he knows I was going to disgrace his thief of a son.
Olase, what is wrong with you? Why are you hell-bent on painting this little boy bad just to crucify him? What is the problem?
I wonder, But Olase, why can you say that Ogro, your husband, ran away from this kind of important discussion? He cannot do a thing like that because he knows that it amounts to disrespect to all of us.
And where is he now? No, where did he go to? Why didn't he tell us where he was going to? He knows that his dead wife only gave him a thief as a son. Where is he?
Auntie, see, I don't be thief for. Make me call me thief.
If you don't shut that your dirty mouth, I will use my hand and shut it for you. Why are you looking at me like that? You want to beat me? You want to beat me?
Oh, Lassie, it's all right. Take it easy. It's all right. Please let us wait for a while for Ogro, your husband. If he fails to come back, then we can conclude with you that he ran away. Ogro at once.
Daddy, me I don't be thief for.
Yes. You are not a thief. And you did not thief her earrings. Mbata.
Yes.
They say when you remove a tick from a dog, show it to the dog.
Exactly.
So that it will not think that you pinched it.
You are very correct. Even they can bite you thinking you pinched them.
Yes.
That's correct. But where did you abandon us and go?
Mbata, I went to my house to ensure that Olase's mouth is closed forever over this matter. But do you know that it is Olase here? Passing 6, they say, is not passing sense. Yeah. It is Olase here who hid her earrings just to discredit my innocent son.
Joy! You are a liar! Just like your son.
To catch a rabbit, you must have a smoke pot.
Yeah.
So I went home.
Daddy, where is mommy?
Yeah, mom is still in the market trying to buy you things. She sent me to collect the earrings she gave you to keep for her. She wants to sell them to enable her buy more things for you. Yes.
Daddy, mommy said that I should not let Ududo to know that she gave it to me to hide it for her. I don't want mommy problem, Daddy. I don't want her problem.
No,
please.
she told me the same. But she now wants to dispose them, to buy things for you. Yes, hurry, go and get it. Let me, I don't want to keep her waiting.
Let me go and get it for you. But Daddy, I don't want mommy's problem. Oh.
What? Olase? Yes. Olase is doing everything to destroy my son.
Olase, why? What did this boy ever do to you?
You want to go to the toilet? Where is she going?
Leave her. The battle is going to be tougher now with her. Now that she has been disgraced Eh? So, I have to run along to save that little girl who helped me to expose her.
Adempa, it's very, very important. Please run along.
Yes.
Sure.
So let me go.
Please do.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Onyase.
Okay.
Nsobu.
Onyase.
Onyase. Lying on his head.
Ugon! Ugon! Where is this stupid daughter of mine? Ugon!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? What is it?
Ugon! Where is the earrings I gave you?
Mommy, you sent Papa to come and collect it now that you want to sell it. I gave it to
You are a very stupid girl. You are a very stupid girl. I feel like killing you, foolish girl. Huh? How could you? How?
Mommy, how could me what? What did I do?
No, Sopo. How could me, Oyibo? Speak!
Mommy, what have I done? What have I done, Mommy? What is it now?
How could you give your father the earring I gave you to keep? How could you?
Huh? Mommy, you sent him to come and collect it that you want to use it and buy something now. Mommy,
You have killed me. You have finished me. I did not.
Mommy, please.
Don't touch that girl. Last, don't touch this girl. Don't.
You've gotten what you wanted, isn't it? No, you've gotten what you wanted. But let me tell you something. You will leave here to face my wrath.
I am the head of this house. I cannot be afraid of a woman I married into it. I cannot. What are you training this girl to become? Like you? Eh?
She is my daughter. So I have the right to teach her or to train her in any way I desire.
Not in this house, and not as long as I am the head of this family. She's not only your daughter, she's our daughter. And I have a serious responsibility towards her upbringing. Okay, Nede.
No, you have tried now.
You
have done your worst now. No, you have done your worst. You have done your worst.
Give me a fair.
You have finished me. You have killed me. He tricked you into doing that. I did not send him. Oh.
Mommy, I'm sorry. I didn't know you did not send it. I didn't even know that you gave me earrings. I'm sorry, Mommy, please.
Which biscuit? Eh?
Hi. I no sure say those stupid boys go come out today come fetch water. But anolata echewunta. Tomorrow is another day. I will catch them and I will crush them. It's all right.
Beauty. Why you working yourself? For that matter, why they not solve? See, those alarm me. See, I go to that woman. Man pass man. You know say they don't help you disgrace them. Eh? They don't help you shame that woman. Nah, everybody know say you don't be liar. Eh? Come on, go play. So they go get some joy. Happy?
My boys,
Mama,
where are you going to?
wanna go play?
Play. When there is no single water in this house. Oh yeah, go and carry your cans. I need to cook for my husband.
Okay.
Eh? Go, carry the cans. Go and fetch water from the stream. Go now. You want to play?
Not when I'm alive. As long as I'm alive and still lives in this house as the wife to Ogre, that boy will never share my inheritance with my daughter. Never. I am the queen of this house. and that should be able to manage the affairs of this house, including the life of Ogoro. His mother is dead. As far as I'm concerned, Ududu is as good as dead. And I must surely see that this happens. We shall see.
Every day trouble they wake up. Man pass man, come on person now for Chukopanya. Ian get a sleep. Every day trouble they wake up. Man pass man.
See, what do you to me? I don't like him at all. I don't like him. I don't like how they test. Because my papa, when I dey pity like this, if not tell me I keep a fight. Thank God say you believe yourself. Thank God. Because now God I appreciate them. Now God I appreciate them. No. Those time, my aunt don't they fat. See, my print on the touch. See you with your smart. Where the talk
Mokina, come here. Hey, if you move, come here, come on, make you reach here before I just you down now. Come on, match down.
Come.
I said make you come back here. So, now you be the tickly rat when no get respect. They play men who don't grow, who don't reach to born you. They play them like say they be children, Abi.
Every time, all look allow us to rest for this village. Why it be like that?
Come. Now me, you dey talk to.
Why it be? Wanna be Timo or you be masquerade?
See, before I count two now, make una two just down. If I don't go down now, go fuck una up. Come on, make una kneel down there. Oh. Now me, una dey show you dance step.
Yes.
Me, why don't they play dance step for this village since where they born us? They run things, they control the area. Una why can't they show me new dance step? I am gonna go down there now before I deal with una. Such a
Ma tell you, on a time don't pass.
Na lie.
On a time don't pass.
No,
come now.
Na lie.
Mommy, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Hello.
Mommy.
Welcome.
Welcome. Hey, Mommy.
What? Can I help you?
Yes.
What is it?
Mommy, please. They say when we are coming to school tomorrow, we should bring 5,000 each person.
5,000 naira.
Yes, Mommy.
What for? I thought you have paid for exam before.
No, Mommy. That one was caution fee.
Caution fee?
Yes, Mommy.
Yay! School has now become a very big business. So, caution fee for that? What is that for?
Mommy, it's for the 5,000 I paid before was for invigilators, so that we can be able to do the drive, so that the student can do the drive and the teachers will turn their face to the other side, so that we can be doing our thing and write our exam.
Yeah. Che! School, you pay 5,000 naira so that you can giraffe. You giraffe, that is, you share what to write in exam.
Yes, exactly, Mommy.
Hello.
You get it. Mommy, wait. Did you do it when you were in secondary school?
Hey, Mbam, I did not. See, when I was in school, I made good grades.
Hey. Mommy, like F9.
F again, or say. See, when I was in secondary school, I was the first class material. I made good A's. A everywhere.
Mommy, I saw your result. Yes, You know that day that you gave me earrings to go and hide inside that box? I saw your results. F9, 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 F9.
Pass! F9. That result was not mine.
But mommy, I saw
it's not mine.
Your name was there now.
That reminds me. You see that thing that you did that day? Don't you ever try it.
Mommy, what did I do?
How come the earrings I gave to you, you now gave it to your father?
Mommy,
that gave that little devil the opportunity to insult me in front of Mbata and his family.
Mommy, sorry now. I've been begging you since. Sorry, it will not happen again. You're now making me to be emotional.
I've heard. Go. Inside.
Argentina win this World Cup.
I tell you, surprise everybody, shock everybody.
Hi. So Messi don't pass my Ronaldo.
Shock everybody.
Messi pass my Ronaldo.
But Ronaldo go play the next World Cup.
You go see him.
Guy, na the one we know. Na the one we know.
Talk like that. No, they like that.
Where is the talk?
Messi don't fit win my Ronaldo.
Just
can never. He no fit be world best.
GOAT. Na. Boko. Hey. What happen? What you do for face?
Sorry. Make you not be waiting and they think that happen to you so.
Sorry. What did they think?
Oboko.
Hey. Who can I give me this pure water? Make I take cool my face. Hey! Sorry. He never don't touch me, you know they hear. Sorry, I want just help him. You know go touch.
Oboko, make you not be waiting and they think that happen to you so.
Hey.
Oboko.
Hey. This boy is the one kill me. This boss use cane, finish my body, use punch, use blows, scatter me.
I am saying thank you, Jesus. Voice. Thank you, my Lord. I am saying thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord.
Agada, what happen? Agada, why do they sing Christian song? They sing, I am saying thank you. What happen?
I don't win them. Oh, 5 pam. Oh, I don't win them.
What did they talk? 5
pam. Oh,
oh, I don't win now. Oh, wait, not true. You know, see Agada and Oboko bet money for those boys' head. Agada, don't cash out like this.
I may cast out.
I may cast out.
In that case, where the Koza day, we could begin now the plan how we go take squander this Koza. You know now.
Bring them, make give them. Now bet, now agreement. Agreement is agreement.
Why would they behave like this, eh? I think they be my friends. At the time when they carry pain while they go through the talk of money, and you know say I no hold am for here. I go give you later if I reach house. Like this now, what's I need now? To find me, I go buy paracetamol, make I take this pain, they come up for my body.
No, they follow you, they go your house.
So I study no get my money. I thought they be.
See, no could they go the house, no go witness the matter.
Yes.
Okay, give me the water. What do you want?
I got that the waka fast.
Go witness.
Oh, you can pay.
Sorry, you're paying.
Where they beat you?
Where them back you? Where them back?
My 5,000 no get you.
They paying them.
Hey! 2 hours now. These boys are not back. Where could they have gone to? I hope they are safe. And my husband is not around. Now what will I do? Nkem, UD.
Good afternoon. Mommy.
Who kept you both so long at the stream?
Now one boy we can attack us for road.
What did he do to you people?
No, I beat them. We beat them like goats.
Who is this person who attacked you people?
No, Okpoko.
Okpoko?
Okpoko want to tie us with We keep on woto.
Oboko, which Oboko?
Nah, the pikin. Now we can try us.
Yes. Hey, Oboko. Okay, no problem. Both of you should go inside, eh?
Okay.
When your father gets back, I will tell him to go and talk to his father.
Okay.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Ududo,
Papa.
I have been thinking about something.
Papa, what do you think?
I've been thinking how you have always been able to beat boys who are bigger than as you are.
Papa, they want that on a quarter.
I have also been wondering the same thing, eh? How you beat up boys twice your size?
Hey!
Eh? My husband. Go and get him water. Sorry. Sorry. Hurry up!
I will never be alive and see that boy succeed in this house. Never will that boy share any of my inheritance with any of my children. No, now. Oh, they think it's over. Mbano. It's not over yet. Not now that he has succeeded in disgracing me at Mbata's house. He must live to pay for his crime.
Hey, Lassie.
Husband.
How are you? And why are you sitting out here all alone?
Heat. Okay. The inside is very hot. There is no light. You know this power holding, they are not trying at all. No light inside.
Forget. Has Ugom come back from school?
No, not yet. She'll be coming back late today. Because they're having extramural classes today. So she won't be coming at their normal dismissal time.
Okay. I hope you have finished cooking.
Yes. Yes. Why don't you go and freshen up so that I will go and bring the food? Would you want to eat here or inside?
Well, since you said there's no light, it's better I have it here.
I'll be with you shortly.
So, because
I dey dodge to tell my mama wetin happen because she don dey ask me since.
Make you no go tell your mama say na small boys beat you.
Exactly.
Make you no go dey talk anyhow.
Yes, now. I dey craze. Me wey be say I tell her say na 4 like 4.
Better.
Correct.
Better for you.
Correct. See, I want to ask we talk about how we will take attack those boys. So they no go fit defeat us. Very important.
But no be the two of them. Now that in Kemu cousin.
Yes.
That small one. That when we shiri here, that small, that be the main wahala. But if na Kemu na small tax na, that one na.
As you see that boy, the boy just wide anyhow, and na small but mighty o.
See, small thing you go begin the fear. Small thing you go begin the fear.
Why no go fear?
Last, so see, I get plan. I get plan on how we take deal with those boys.
Fire, we fire.
For real?
No, be that kind of fire now. Una don dey go far. No, I mean make you fire on with the plan, so I will go know how I go take care. Make you just explain, make for the understand. No be so.
Okay, see, it's very simple. As 4 of us there now group will be. You understand? So we go rush them at the same time. We no give them space. We go put hand. We go beat them. We go deal with them. No space.
Na nice idea. You go where now? But we need to lay ambush for them. We go take them by surprise. They no go know. I want chick offer.
That one simple. That one no be problem at all. We no give them space, especially that small ant wey they call UD. That small one, we no give them space at all.
Hey, will you get them? You get them? See, we go just take them by surprise. If we take them by surprise, they don't go fit do anything, and then we will come beat them. We go beat them. Say, see me, I go even kill himself. Because I don't swear for this life, say I don't go forgive that boy for what you do me. That boy, the beat way beats me, I don't go feel forgive him. Now what you go do with that? The idea go away. But when we go start this plan? When we go sample our plan? No time.
I need to ask this question. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We go wait for them for the road to the stream.
Bam. Oh yeah.
You get them?
We go.
We go show them things.
Yes. I be more carry
tomorrow now.
Sometimes we just cover them because they too small.
They no fit believer, but their body they tell them what. On your choose, you beat them what. On your sin on na one ya, tell you so. Oda wuna pempe, do the bulago. So my body big engine, he carry power.
Who did your mother say attacked you when you went to the stream to fetch water? Is it Okpoko, the son of Nadi?
Yes, Papa. Papa.
Why?
Sure, Pepe.
Why?
Now because as we were come for road, to go back attack, now something come from bush, come attack us.
Was he mad?
No, he's not mad. But we beat air out of his body, eh? We beat down my body to progress.
It's all right. Whether you people beat them or beat him or not, I am going to see the mother to warn him.
Wait me, Okongo.
My husband, if you ask me, I don't think it's necessary. I suggest you just forget about it since it was our boys that beat him off.
No. Just don't tell me that. Don't tell me. Don't you know that boy can still plan deadlier things against these boys? So I'm going to see the mother. Let the mother warn them.
Yeah. See my thing. Uncle for no go. Yes, sir. At first we don't beat the boy, we don't kill him. If I not go again. Yes. Yes.
I agree with you. But those boys have taken too much in this blade of rascality. So your father should go. Ha.
Has Ugom returned from school yet?
No. She will be taking her lesson. And she'll be coming back by 4 o'clock today.
Okay, I say shift to now. Inside. They are outside. Ojuzo would have been in school with Ugom by now. But for Nsobuge, you are wahala. Just for your wahala. That's why he's not in school.
Biko, please. Ogo, let me be. Biko rap makaka mzoli ikenona. Biko, let me be. Am I the one that asked him to run to Mbata's house? You are getting bored now. You want to remember a forgotten issue.
Oh. My son is a forgotten issue. You are not serious. Your plans against that boy will never work. I thank God he's a very strong boy.
I thank God I'm a very strong woman too. I am a very strong woman and the woman of the house. The boy has chosen his abode, Ugo. Allow him enjoy Mbata's house.
Are you aware that God is always watching our actions and recording our works? Are you aware?
Obia, Pastor Ogoro. So, you now want to pitch me against God, Nkwa? Oman lekwale. Oman walk now. I am a child of grace, Sabunemaro.
Grace. One thing you have to bear in mind is that everyone must reap what he or she sows. Yes.
Thank God you are not the paymaster. You are not the one that pays the laborers. Can fukwe iruga na heaven? If forgive me, iruga fukwe na heaven kaimalo. Yes, no. I feel iruga na heaven kaimalo.
You are Abansom.
That's
what you are.
Yeah.
Akpansogbu. A woman I married because she's a strong woman so that she could deal with the wives of my wicked neighbors. Now you are using it against me. You are now using it against me.
No problem. No,
it's all right.
See, we go enter bush, go hide, so that they no go see us run when they come.
Abi?
Yes, now.
We go do them what they call surprising attack. Hey! Ewi! A better idea you bring so. Hey! Smart boy. See, we could just find way enter bush just to, divide ourselves. See, I no go forgive those boys for waiting them do me. I must to beat them as they beat me. If you touch on my face, everywhere see they pay me from the beating where they give me. Now only you they beat. They don't beat me.
Say guys, we don't have time. We don't get time at all. Oboko, you and Agada now go enter this side. Why me and Agom go enter this side?
Make everybody that a lot to
Agom.
Yes,
Agom.
Yes, because those boys they feel come with that.
What is it?
How is it all this work? It's so hard now. Eh? If Odudo is here, he will help me. He will help me.
Shh. Listen to me. Do not ever mention that name in this house. How can that malformed child be your brother? Why are you calling Dudo in this house? Don't you reason well?
Mommy, are you saying that my brother will not come back to this house?
I said Odudo is not your brother. He is gone and gone forever.
Mommy. Why now? It's my brother.
Shut up and listen to me. That boy can never be your brother. That small devil can never be your brother. I don't know where my husband picked him from. And let me tell you something. As long as that boy is around your father, you will gain nothing from his inheritance. Are you hearing me?
But, Mommy, Daddy said that it's my brother, that we should love each other.
He was only trying to confuse you. Odudo is not your brother. He's not my child. I don't know where he got him from.
But Daddy said that he's his first son from his first wife that died before he got married to you now.
Fiakwa. That man can lie you. Don't reason with him at all. He's not your brother.
Okay, Mommy, who is Odudo now? Who is he?
Keep that question for another day. Just mind your assignment. That's it.
Mommy, you know that it's too hard.
Okay, you know what? Come, let's go and cook. After cooking, I will now come and help you. Are you okay with that? Close up. After kitchen, I will now come back. That boy is not your brother. You hear me? That boy is not your brother at all. Get it out. Let's go.
The blessed this boys no go come fetch water today for stream.
Always they talk negative. Wetin dey worry you now? Talk positive, one.
Try me talk positive. Since morning when we dey inside bush they wait for these two boys. They never come pass. What you come out here this morning or see me talk positive? Which positive again we want talk inside?
Your mind no tell say maybe they don't come out before we come out here, or maybe they figure water for house. Your mind no dey tell that one. Yes,
now. Where could they go now? I know say be making us.
Wait small now. Wait small. It's a new brush. If you come out now, then go walk out the begin they go stream. Calm down, Kwano.
If we are like this, are they issue? Are they hungry?
So make we dey go because of say because say they hungry. Make we dey go.
No, they hungry because of the hungry. See, we don't inside bush here since morning. They wait for two boys, so I don't understand. Are they hungry? What do they make them come out?
You don't want to beat them again? You don't want to beat them again?
I won't beat them. Maybe it is your whim.
So relax now, relax. Make we still wait small. Look whether they will feel pass. I be one matter. I go discharge everybody.
I want to buy say I no bacha ante echi bunta. I no abanago. Moku kuma go. Tomorrow moku come.
So may I go to charge everybody?
I dey hungry na wetin I wan talk. Na dem.
You do wetin I see you.
This legs big o. Na big man legs.
Oboko! Agata! Oboko! Where una dey? Make una come out.
Bia. Now wetin happen? Why are they call us to come out?
Never try for today. Eh?
See, the truth be say, we go come back tomorrow for them. Maka na asị na anọba na taa, echi bụ nta. Tomorrow is another day. You get?
Hi! If we catch those boys, what we go do those boys, eh? But tomorrow na another day. Make hungry, no go kill man. Or make we go faint. Say we dey wait for two small idiots. You understand? Make we dey go. Eh? Don't try. I know say you like bush. Make we dey go. Eh?
They no fit deliver, but their body they tell them Onya kuchuza, you beat them woto. Onya sino na wanya, itia isabo. Odagu na pempe.
Oh boy, see, after the good I did that river, I will chop it inside. Huh? See, make a say, me I not get it straight. To like try anyhow. I don't tell you now. Now, what you call me? You can't miss that glass for that water. Me not the swim the class out there. I want to sit out there go swallow me. No, I did a joke. Let me go. Wait. You just saw those boys and got tacos for road. I don't go fit. They're fit. Up the beat later. Beat them up and down. They can't come. Okay. See, if they try us, I'm going to for the body. What? Look where they go. They can't try us.
Oh, this thing don't hold me well. You won't come out. Hey.
Now, you can't do what my belly did to me. I don't go shit. Wait. You not go with me, we'll go house first. We don't let this house now. They shit down, you come out. Wait first, make I go. Then you come first. I go shit fast though. You not go back pick it fast, yo. Be fast.
Hey. I'm free. Hey. Nah. I the verse as una see me I the verse.
What did they face you? They talk like this Nollywood actor. What did they call Alakwa? Eh?
If I catch those boys, will make me lose my 5 pa Kai.
You go beat them.
Kaya.
You won't beat them.
I say if I catch them, they must to refund me my 5 pa.
Nah lie. How they make mouth? Oboko, you and I no say you no go do anything. Okay, me. Why you no deal with them the way you take both say you go beat them if you catch them? Show me that you say if you catch them you go do this, you go blow am, you go uppercut am, you go carry am, you go throw, you go bend neck. Wetin happen? You reach you say and you run.
Like I ask you won't bet another money.
Who they talk about betting? I dey tell you see if I catch them, they must to reform me. They talk about betting. Nah, what for you?
Then relax. As no one bet again.
The one wey dey vex me pass be say after those chickly rat, after those small thing beat me finish, I can't lose my 5 pa. Where are the vex? Now so mazin bata carry in chickly leg wey be like crayfish. Waka come my house, come dey want my mama make it want me.
Wait, so mazin bata come your house, come warn your mama make him warn you. On that which level?
I dey tell you.
See, if you like say we go put small film, make them know say they happen. Make them know who be who for this village. Who dey zuzu now? I be at the kind of time we do am the other day for village.
If I carry this verse where they catch me, channel the verse put for him body, him go collect woto. Body go tell am.
But why you go dey proclaim for person matter?
See, time don't reach when we go put small for her. Make him know say after you go, now we now.
You are right.
Why you go come to warn your mama now?
Don't worry. Don't worry.
That man no try no. No try.
Don't take that man like you.
You get luck, why you come to warn your mama?
I lose 5 pounds for waiting now. 5 pounds for waiting.
Thank you. Look at that. Put your
Kai, I no just dey happy as we no catch those boys today. Oh.
Guy, chill now. Tomorrow on another day. Relax.
You two are the vex. Don't be the last matter thing so. Are they vex? Eh? Now today supposed to give these boys boto. Now today supposed to end everything. Every point supposed to end today.
Alpha, go.
Come on. I see those boys. I see them. For where? I say, make I enter bush, go ease myself. That time when I waka come out. Now as I come outside, now I see those boys carrying gallon of water. They come, they go. Hey, those boys them get locked today. Wait, where they now? I want to take no. Eh? See them. As I see them, now I can't do about turn. I shift. I can't find my niggas move for hunt them. Kill these guys somehow. Eh? I do sure say never late. If we waka now, follow them up, we'll go track them. Time no day. Make we go now. It go be this side though. Which side? Not be here from.
You gotta go. You gotta see ya. You gotta go. Think say only you. Sabi the game. Think say only you. Sabi the game. You gotta watch ya. You gotta go. You gotta see ya. You gotta go. Think say only you. Sabi the game.
I hope nobody troubled you on your way to the stream today.
Yes, sir.
Nobody.
Yes. Mama, as soon as we not see anybody. Roads they free today.
Thank God, though.
So now they fear us. Yes.
My boys. Let's go to the back with the water. So they have stopped. They have learned their lesson, eh? Yes. Hey.
Now this road them pass.
Yeah. This road now.
I move go before them go come out now. Move up. Madam. Good afternoon.
Are you guys from this village?
Why they ask?
Because I am looking for some guys from this village to do business proposal with.
Wait. Did you say business proposal?
Yes.
What kind of business?
If you guys are from this village and you are mean as your looks are, then you're the one I should do my bidding with.
Now we be the minimi for this village.
See, I'm not joking. This is a serious business.
See, madam, I don't say no from this village. But I tell you, after Igwe, I will be the next for this village. Yes, now.
Then you're the guys I've been looking for.
Yeah.
I should do my bidding with you. See, I'll give you guys plenty money.
Money?
To deal with somebody for me in this village. Please come close.
Madam, Moya, your proposal.
I want 2 boys to kill somebody. Yes.
It is done. It is done.
Madam, you see us now? Now we did they call area scatter for this village. Now scatter maintain. They don't settle the clear up. We will clean. Settle the case. No trace.
Thank you. Dalon.
No, na spirit carry you come.
So how you dey now?
Well. Ah. Ugo.
Daddy.
You are awake?
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, please, where's my mommy?
I don't know. She didn't tell me where she was going. But I'm sure she left food for you in the kitchen. I know you must be hungry.
Let me go and check.
Go and check. I'm sure there's food for you. This woman keeps walking about.
Guy, calm this thing now.
No, calm down. My carry 6 give instead of 5. Collect.
To me.
You only betray yourself every time. You say na 5.
Ooh.
Hey. Oh.
Like this, I don't recover my money where I got that chop.
You dey see my guys. And this kind of business they like. See those 2 small boys. When we want beat for free, person don't come give us morale to boost up the system. Wetin we go beat that boys now? Wetin no good. We go beat us. Kill them.
Guys, you're not to the hungry me now. Not to the hungry me now.
Now to go flares now.
Bam, EJ.
Flares.
Now to go chop better shoko Nkobi. Better one for Magnus, please. I will buy that one. Nkobi 3,000. I will come enter bike. Use this one. Subscribe.
Only that they chop your money.
Wait till now, something must.
You know, say for this life, everybody getting problem.
That's so now.
As soon as see me so, the house gets me, I dey go house. My mama go soon start to find me.
You not supposed to join this guy.
Make we beg you or waiting. Guy, work dey free. No money.
Don't want concern.
This boy not supposed to join this gang. These are gang of men that are capable.
Don't talk much. We will go flex. Our money. We will go flex. 5 money.
And nothing but
Ulasi.
I greet you. Good afternoon.
Ulasi, I greet you. How are you?
I'm fine. I came to see my friend in one of these neighboring village. Up.
Yes. I see.
Yeah.
Because I was going to ask you what brought you to my territory.
No cause for alarm. There's no cause for alarm. So how is your family?
We give thanks to Chukwokike Abiyama for his mercy. And I hope my friend, your husband, Ogro, is doing well with the rest of the members of the family.
No, we are perfectly fine.
Good.
So how is Odudo? Has he started giving you people problem yet?
Not at all. Not at all. Odudo is a very good boy. He's a very good boy. Yes.
Thank God, though. Thank God he has not started giving you people problem yet, though.
I'm not expecting any troubles from Odudo. All the same, thank you for your consent.
Okay, thank God, though. Let me run along.
It's okay. It's okay. My regards to your husband.
He will hear.
Yes.
Take it easy, Mama. Wickedness we lead you to nowhere. I'm a son, I'm a gun.
You did. So the both of you are still on this broom thing, eh?
No worry, Mama, go finish now. You go finish now.
After you people are done, I want you to go inside, take all your dirty clothes, take them to the stream and wash them.
Say tomorrow morning, we carry all our clothes, they go stream. They go wash.
It's important, oh.
Yes.
Schools are opening next week, so you need all your clothes to be clean.
Yes. Now tomorrow.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem, as far as you wash all your clothes.
Okay.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, now.
People should hurry up. I don't know what you're doing.
Okay.
Those were that roundabout.
I believe I listen.
Oh, no, just anything cool.
Anything cool, like me, like my guy.
No, you go and step and down. Speed and finish, you go step and down.
Hey! Come back here.
Did you see any other person here that you're asking me that question? Come back here! Are we mates by any means?
Oga, we don't understand you.
Okay. Didn't you see me the time you walked past me?
Oga, we see you now. We saw you, but we know they're blind.
Then why didn't you greet me? Why?
Oga, greeting now by force. Now by force. Yeah. I even ask you, if they pay anybody will greet you.
I tell you.
Wait him, be yourself now. Be yourself. Wait him.
Hey. Let me pretend I did not hear what you said.
Okay, if you hear waiting go happen, I beg shift. Shift, I beg.
Are you talking to me like that? Mazembata?
Oga, now waiting now. What is your problem? We have been respecting you here since looking at you. Oga, better they go where they go. They go where they go. Make you no make us first for you now. What do they do you?
Are you mad? Don't you know I can discipline you because of this singular rascality?
I swear to you. I swear to you. Igwe or his prime minister. See, I tell you, if you no come out here now, I go show you film.
We go do it for you. What they want you?
You will hear from me. All of you, you will hear from me.
Okay, see what I tell you. Listen. Now you go hear from us.
You must hear from me.
I don't want to tell you that head for the middle of the This man no get sense.
I mean, guys, what they go there?
Who does that?
Say we go hear from us.
For.
Oh, this one is too hard now. You will do it this one, it will come out from this one, it's too hard.
Didn't the teacher teach you before giving this assignment?
Daddy did not teach you. That my English teacher don't know how to teach. He will just come to the class and then teach you small thing and then pack the whole homework and give you to go and kill yourself.
I'm sure you were playing and not paying attention when he was teaching this particular one.
Daddy, you know I don't play in the class now. Let me tell you, you just don't know how to teach. It's just like that. You just come now, teach one, then go and then come and give you the whole homework. Let
me see the assignment.
That is see. Mommy, you're welcome. Welcome, mommy.
Oh, let's see. Where did you go without letting anybody in the house know?
Am I lost? Am I not an adult? Don't I have the right to walk out of this house and come in anytime I like?
Oh, Lassie, you're a woman under a man. Without telling anybody.
Okay, Mazogo, I went to see my friend. Are you okay now?
Oh, Lassie, the stubborn grasshopper ends up in the belly of Okpoko, the bird.
I reject it. Back to sender.
Amen. Mommy, I was waiting for you to come back and help me with my assignment. It's so difficult.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me change my clothes and put on something relaxing on there.
Oh, Lassie, it is only the foolish fly that follows the crops to the grave. Oh, Lassie, in a mevite. O paranere o chena na hamanu. Ine mefokuite.
Mbata, I have suffered in this life. Chai!
My husband, what are you suffering from? What is the problem?
Do you know that I came across those rascals on my way home? And they insulted me.
What?
My husband, which rascals? Who did you meet on your way?
That one they call Ewita and his friends.
Igobike's son?
Yes, Igobike's son and his friends. And they even roughed me up.
What?
Hey, Papa, calm down, calm down. See, make I tell you, we will not to deal with that boy straight. Yes. See, if they try now, we go to the body water. Brilliantly.
I'll make sure that those boys are dealt with in this village. You will hear it.
This is getting out of hand. The elders of this community has to come and talk about this. Let us tackle these boys before they become too wild. What is going on?
Papa, leave farm. Now we know the way we got to deal with that boys then.
Nkem and Yudi, please don't go and try anything with them. This is a battle for the elders of this village, and we will deal with them.
So, you bought so well, In fact, you bought like adults.
Mama, take it down, mention.
Hey! Okay, so Nkem, take this tray inside so you can start cooking. Since you saw your stepmother will last you on the road, she might want to come here. So we better start cooking so that food will be ready before she gets here.
Auntie, wait. Auntie, don't worry. Auntie Lassie, no can ever come here.
Why do you say that?
She no can ever come. Now because she no want see me. If she come here, she go see me. And me, I don't want me she come here.
You cannot be so sure.